In this video, we will discuss about how to start cash on delivery dropshipping in 2022. Cash on delivery dropshipping, also known as COD, is a rising alternative to the normal way to selling products online. To some, this is very impossible with dropshipping because you don't have full control of the products you have dropshipping. Instead, they believe you have to invest in the product upfront and have the shipping handled yourselves and get paid when your customer receive the product. However, that's not the case with COD dropshipping. As you already know, dropshipping is a business model whereby you don't have to have the product or invest the product upfront inventory. All you need to do is find a reliable supplier with a good products, market the product, and the supplier fulfills your order to your customers. The same things goes for COD. However, instead of getting your money first from your customer, you will have to wait till your product is delivered, which is usually around 2 or 5 days. So basically, you will need to find a supplier that incorporate cash on delivery in their dropshipping business. Before we go on below in this video and jump link to give you a head start, what is cash on delivery, how cash on delivery works in dropshipping, advantage of cash of delivery, disadvantages of cash of delivery, cash on delivery dropshipping platform, which are its features, how to start cash on delivery with funnel Jane. What is cash on delivery? Cash on delivery, which is sometimes refers to as collection of delivery, it is sale of good online where payment is made on delivery rather than in advance. If the goods sent out are not paid for, they are automatically returned to the seller to retailer of the product. The term COD originally applied only to cash payment, but over time the forms of payment have become more common. So the word cash has over time been replaced with the word collection, which include transactions by credit card, checks, or even debit cards. COD made e-commerce suffer for the buyer of the products because they would not be paying for products they are yet to see. How cash on delivery works in dropshipping. Normally, they does not work at all. Even if you think about it, the normal way of doing dropshipping includes you looking for a supplier that agrees with you to dropshipping their products. This means they are ready to fulfill all the order you sent to them after you must have made your own profit on your own store. This means they are ready to fulfill all the order you sent to them after you must have made your own profit on your own store. Cash on delivery plus dropshipping. Having understood how dropshipping it not to seek an inappropriate cash on delivery into this business model. This may could difficult because the majority of the products that are dropshipped are sourced from China AliExpress, while cash on delivery is not even allowed on AliExpress. The only possible way is finding a trusted local supplier that allows dropshipping and can fulfill the products on your behalf and also receive payments on delivery and finally send your profit after the payment is received from your customer. Advantages of cash on delivery. The first one is most preferable for customers. Cash on delivery is the most preferred method for buyers because they will have to see the product they ordered before making payment. Not just that, it also protects them from exposing their payment details online while making payment for the products via their credit or debit cards. The second one is it encourages impulse purchases. An impulse purchases is also one of the advantages of cash on delivery. Many customers buying your products does not have the intention of buying it earlier. However, when they are across your product adverts and they saw payment on delivery, they will become more eager to buy. The third one is it increases customer trust in the seller. Another benefit of payment on delivery is the fact that the customer tends to trust you more compared to other doing prepaid. They believe it's safer to buy on your store since they will see the products before they make payment. Instead of making payment under the probability of seeing the product or the products has been genuine one, it encourages seller to conflict product. The fifth one is high return on investment, and the sixth one is fast delivery method, and the seventh one no payment withhold or payment method. And here we discuss disadvantages of cash on delivery. The first one is sell on hidden markets. With funnel gene, you can sell where nobody is already selling and enjoy market of lesser competitions compared to market like the US. The cost of pre-conversion is extremely low, giving you and large profit margin per sale and ROI of your entire business. The second one is product fulfillment. You don't have to worry about product fulfillment because Funnel Genie has its own exclusive courier service that handles product delivery. Even better if the fact that they deliver products within 2 to 3 days, which is way faster compared to the normal dropshipping time. Weekly payout. All payment received is processed and wired to your personal bank account on a weekly basis. This way you will not have to bother about receiving payment with PayPal or Strip or having your more withheld. Did I mention you also get paid for lead collection? The next one is ready to use sales funnels. Funnel Genie also come with a ready to use sales funnel that can be used to increase your sales conversation. You can create upset and downset to even make more sales with just a single product at the funnel end. It also comes with pre-written sales copy for each and every one of the product available on Funnel Genie. The next one is monitor app. You can also monitor every one of your sale on the go with the Funnel Genie mobile app. You can track your sales conversation and every other stats about your business. How to start COD with Funnel Genie. Starting your cash on delivery business is very simple. You can start with their 7 days trial to test run the platform and see what it offers. They will help you understand how the platform is being run and help you get used to it. After that, there is a lot of training of the platform on how to familiarize you with the app. Once you have logged in, you can choose from their list of winning products and deploy the funnel you want to use to promote the products. This will only take a few clicks and only it done. You can start promotions and make money as your products are being delivered.